Hi traders, happy holidays. It is December 27, 2019, and this is the last video or trade signal for the year. So let's get started. The Aussie yen crosses rallied from what, September, October, November, December, and now we're heading uh, into January, and I'm hoping for some sort of retracement because Aussie yen has broken two major trend lines on a daily chart. And so clearly in an uptrend, so it's going to turn around at one point, and usually it will happen in January sometime. So look out for candlestick patterns, look out for the trade signals. I've been long on this pair. I exited a few days ago, and I'm looking for a retracement to sell and then buying. So it's looking for something like this, heading down to the backside of the trend line, bouncing off of that and looking for targets of 79. Euro yen, the same thing. Santa Claus rally. The market's been an uptrend for the past 3 months. It's broken some major trend line breaks. If you look at the weekly chart, it's almost up to that outer trend line, which is around 121 level. Let me just extend it and see where it hits. So anywhere around 121, if you are still long on euro yen, then I would caution, start looking for even break even stop loss or exit your positions, because this thing most likely will turn around and head south in January. It's the end of the quarter. The same thing with CAD yen. There's the rally, Santa Claus rally for the past 3 months, and it's hitting a major resistance level up here, close to the resistance level, has broken a trend line. We're in a strong uptrend, and it's just mirroring the stock market. But coming into January, we should see a nice retracement on CAD yen as well. And the other one is pound yen, USD yen. That was the Santa Claus rally that started late October, and now it's finding notice that the market doesn't want to break that 109.60 level. We may see a pullback before it goes back up again. And the last one is pound yen. Nice rally, but look what's happening on let's switch over to a daily chart. Found support at a previous resistance level, turn support. We're not sure if this is going to make it all the way to the end. We're just going to have to wait till this Brexit thing is over. And I'm not really interested in trading any of the pound trades until there's clarity in Brexit. And what was the other one? New Zealand yen was the other one. And no, I think we went over this one. We have a buy zone, a sell zone. Anything above the trend line is a buy zone. Anything below is a sell zone. So market clearly, New Zealand yen clearly broke the major trend line on a daily chart. But we should be seeing some clear resistance levels anywhere from now to 74, 72, and then we're going to look to sell. Okay. All right, so let's look at the con trades that we took, starting with Aussie dollar. Again, market was in a downtrend for such a long time. You've noticed the downtrend all the way back from 2018. Okay, it was in a clear downtrend, and then it found support. We have nice divergence, a nice support level down here. And I'm still in this trade, and hopefully, actually I got in too late. Should have taken the trade down at these levels, but it's still in an uptrend. We're looking for a target at the extension of 70.99. So stay in this trade. I'm up 75 pips. This is the second trade. I took this trade before and exited, and I re-enter the market. So let's look at the other pairs. Aussie CAD. Now, it's been bouncing off this channel, this 91.17 all the way down to 89.60 area. So a clear break is definitely going to push Aussie CAD up to these levels up here out of the outer trend line. Let's see what the inner trend, there's the inner trend line. Okay, so cleared that. Okay, but then it just found resistance and it just stayed. Now a clear break above this level of resistance is definitely going to push Aussie CAD up. I hope that it would just come back down so I can buy it again. Better position, better opportunity down at this level, because this is the level of support. It should not break this area, which is, let's see, what price is that? That's 89.77. So if it comes back down to there, I'm looking to buy again. So I'm not interested in selling this. This is in a clear uptrend. Swing low, swing high, and the Fibonacci hits the 50% retracement level, and this is the target. And this is the extension, 93.37. So anywhere from 92.50 to 93.37 is a good exit. Now, if it closes above the outer trend line, we're going to see a multi-month retracement all the way up to the highs. Okay, if it breaks this outer trend line, we're going to see market reach this level of resistance, 99. Okay, or even parity on this one as well. All right, what was the other one? Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss. One second, let me just make this bigger here. Okay, all right. We have clear divergence on a daily chart. Here's a level of support. And we're looking for the market to clear this level of resistance. Let me go to the 4-hour chart because that's where the trade was taken. Okay, it's based on the, all right, so here it is. Sorry about that, guys. Here's clear divergence on the 4-hour chart. So we have swing patterns going lower and we have wave patterns going higher, hence divergence. We had a clear trend line break on the 4-hour chart. The market retraced, which is typical, found support, and we should start seeing, hopefully next week, we should see levels of resistance up here. Now this is the Santa Claus rally. The Swiss usually every year during the months of September, well in this case from November all the way to now, the market's been in a downtrend because the Swiss dollar goes up. So the Euro Swiss went down. Okay, so the Euro is weak against the Swiss. So now we found support and we're looking to buy into January rather, and hopefully we'll reach these levels of resistance all the way up here. Okay, the other one was Aussie Swiss, the same thing. Markets, the Australian dollar was strong, but stronger than the Swiss, so it rallied. Now we're finding resistance at these levels, so I'm still long on Aussie Swiss, so I'm going to buy when it comes back down again. I'm going to buy it again when it comes back down to these fib levels. So hold positions. I got in way too late. I got in at the resistance, so I'm just going to wait till it comes back down and hits the support and buy it again, and hopefully it will, you know, do something like this. Come back down, turn around and head north, and hit that 161 extension. Okay, and we have New Zealand CAD, one of my favorite pairs to trade. Continues to rally. I'm going to go to the daily chart for a second here. Notice that the Santa Claus rally, November, December, January, continues to rally. I took another position. I exited the original position here, made about 120 pips, exited again because why? We have a strong trend line break on a higher time frame. So this should continue to rally. There's the trend line that was broken back in mid-November, and this continues to go up. And any retracement, I'll just start looking for more buying opportunities on this pair. Let's go to the smaller time frame. And January, it most likely will retrace, but it's just going to turn around and head north again. So here's the swing low, here's the swing high. We're looking for buying opportunities at the resistance turns support. So 87.20 is the next level of buying opportunity on this pair. And I think that's it. Pound yen was the other trade that we took, and currently only up 5 pips on this trade. It is Friday. I most likely will exit this trade because Fridays I don't like to hold positions over the weekend, and it is finding resistance up at these levels, so I most likely exit this trade. But the target is all the way up here. Again, I'm not crazy about the pound crosses, but this is pound against the yen, and yen usually weakens during the Santa Claus rally. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, email me. Thanks for watching. Have a good holiday the rest of the week, and thanks.